Let's discuss the chapter Human Eye and Colorful World. Do you know how does light help us in seeing the world around us? Human eye consists of lens. Do you know the function of lens in our eyes? Lens used in the spectacles help to correct the eye defects. Do you know how does this happen? You will get answers to all these questions in this chapter. Let's start with the structure of human eye. Human eye is the most valuable sense organ in our body, which enables us to see the world around us. It acts like a camera. Light enters our eye through a thin membrane called as cornea. There is a bulge on the front surface of eyeball, which is approximately spherical in shape and has a diameter of 2.3 centimeters. Behind the cornea, we have iris. Iris is a group of muscles which regulates the size of pupil. Pupil regulate the amount of light entering our eye. Next part is retina. It is a delicate membrane which consists of light-sensitive cells. These light-sensitive cells get activated in the presence of light and generate electric signals. These electric signals are carried to the brain via optic nerve. Let's discuss about our next topic, which is power of accommodation. Human eye has the ability to adjust its focal length. However, this focal length cannot be decreased below a minimum level. The distance by which an object can be seen clearly without any strain is called as the least distance of distant vision. This distance is also called as the near point of an eye, which is about 25 centimeters in normal human adult eye. The farthest distance to which a human eye can see is called as the far point of eye, which is about infinite in a human eye. Now let's discuss about the defects of vision and its corrections. There are 3 defects of visions, which are number 1, myopia or nearsightedness. Number 2, hypermetropia or farsightedness. Number 3, presbyopia. Let's start with the first defect of vision, which is myopia. This defect is also called as nearsightedness. In this defect, the person is able to see the nearby objects clearly but is not able to see the far objects. In this defect, the image is formed in front of the retina. The causes of this defect include number 1, excessive curvature of the eye lens. Number 2, elongation of the eyeball. The correction of this defect include usage of concave lens of suitable power. Let's discuss the second defect of our eye, which is hypermetropia. This defect is also called as farsightedness. In this defect, person is able to see the far objects clearly but cannot see the nearby objects. This defect is caused due to 2 reasons. Number 1, the focal length of the eye lens becomes too long. Number 2, the eyeball becomes too short. The correction of this defect include usage of convex lens with suitable power. Now let's discuss the third defect of vision, which is presbyopia. This defect occurs usually in old age due to a decrease in power of accommodation. In this defect, the near point of the eye recedes away, which causes inability to see the nearby objects clearly. The causes of this defect include weakening of the ciliary muscles. I hope you are clear with the defects of vision. Now let's discuss about dispersion of white light in a glass prism. Prism has 2 triangular bases and 3 rectangular lateral surfaces. It splits the white light into 7 colors. Do you know what are these 7 colors? Yes, you are correct. These are the 7 colors of the rainbow, which forms a Vibgyor. And what is this Vibgyor? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. This band of 7 colors, which is formed due to splitting of white light, is called as spectrum. And the phenomena of splitting of white light into the bands is called as dispersion of white light. You must note that the red color bends the least, whereas the violet color bends the maximum. After knowing about dispersion, you are now in a position to answer how rainbow is formed. Rainbow is formed by the splitting of sunlight through the tiny water molecules of rain, which acts as prism. This splitting of light produces 7 colors of rainbow. So, the rainbow formation involves 3 phenomena: reflection, refraction, and dispersion. Let's study about atmospheric refraction. Atmospheric refraction causes many natural phenomena, such as twinkling of stars, advanced sunrise, and delayed sunset. Twinkling of stars. Do you know how do stars twinkle? Do you think that they really twinkle? No? Let's see. Twinkling of stars is due to the atmospheric refraction of starlight. Starlight undergoes continuous refraction before entering the Earth's atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere bends the starlight towards the normal, which causes difference in the apparent position of the star from its actual position, which is higher than its actual position. So, this difference in the apparent and the actual position of the star and the amount of starlight entering our eye flickers, which causes the star to appear brighter sometimes and fainter sometimes, which is called as the twinkling of stars. Advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. The sunrise appears to us 2 minutes before the actual sunrise and 2 minutes after the actual sunset. This happens because of the atmospheric refraction of light. This diagram can clearly show you the actual and the apparent position of sun with respect to horizon. Scattering of light. You have studied about scattering of light in colloidal particles. Let's discuss some more cases where the scattering of light can be seen. Tyndall effect. You can commonly see this effect when the sunlight enters a smoke-filled dark room. Sunlight causes scattering of particles, because of which you can see them. Another example is when the sunlight enters a dense canopy of forest. Scattering of light causes the mist to get visible. Another phenomena which involves scattering of light is the appearance of blue color of the sky. Do you know why the sky appears only blue in color and not of any other color like red, yellow, green or yellow? No? Let's see. You might have seen the danger signals in red color. Do you know why only red color is used for danger signals? This is because the red color is least scattered by the fog or smoke, because of which the red color is seen as same even through a distance. Do you know the color of sun at the time of sunrise and sunset? I am sure that you might have noticed the red color of the sun during sunrise and sunset. Do you know why it appears to be red? This is because the sunlight passes through many thicker layers of atmosphere and a large distance before it enters our eye. However, the light from the sun overhead appears to be white. Do you know why this happens? This is because it travels a shorter distance. At noon, the sun appears white because of the least scattering of the red and violet colors. Near horizon, most of the blue light and shorter wavelength colors get scattered by the tiny particles. So, the light which reach our eye will be of longer wavelength. This leads to the appearance of reddish color of the sun.